Okay, so we have our third postcard here, and we do the same for our first two. So we remove this warning icon in those thumbnails for our text, so we can edit the text. So just double click on the thumbnail and those will be removed just like that, and now you can edit the text like so. And going to the effects here, you can play around with the settings, use gradient overlay for the color, and you can choose any presets or just create your own mix of colors just like that. Okay, so we have this element here, this this tiny box, rectangle box here. So as you can see, I've set the fill to 50%. You can play around the settings right here. You can make it 100% full so the color will be visible. And now you can choose the color by double clicking on this thumbnail. You can change the color of that, and you can play with the fill again if you want the transparency, just like that. And change the stroke, whatever color that you like, say for example white, and you can add a drop shadow as well, so you can play around all the settings right here as well. And you can choose gradient overlay as well for the color, and set the opacity to 59%, just like that, and just click OK. So very easy to modify the postcard. So now we're going to change the background, so let's just delete the background. And if you want to change the background, just drag those images, say for example this image, just drag it in the postcard, and by hitting Ctrl+T we can resize the image like so, and just hit Enter. And we want this image again to be inside this white rectangle area right here. So what we're going to do is hold the Alt key and put the cursor between these layers, so it will clip, the image will be clipped. And now you can adjust it or adjust the text, and choosing all these elements by hitting Ctrl+Shift and just clicking on those elements just like that. And we can change the color of our header, something blue, and let's add some effects by double clicking on it. Add some drop shadow and changing the stroke to white, and hit OK, click OK. And if you want to add more images, just drag those images in there. So say for example this woman right here, just like that. And we want this to clip, so let's move it down and just hold the Alt key, put the cursor between these layers, and when you see that icon appears, just click, and there you go. And you can add more images. And if you want to flip the image, just Ctrl+T, right click on your mouse and flip horizontal, just enter, and just like that. There you go, very easy.